Now here, as you can see, I have added two more columns, sprint start and sprint finish. The reason is you will be doing parallel planning for the Scrum. As you go to sprint 2 or sprint 3, simultaneously tickets will be getting raised. Hence, you will be also doing planning for the Kanban part of the project. The status date is also visible with this vertical red line, which is 19th of October. And you can have a look, monitor and track the project, that is the entire Hybrid-ScrumBan project, by using the Gantt chart view. Another question that comes from a number of Agile practitioners, they want to see both the Scrum and Kanban part together, but not the predictive part. Can someone do that? Yes, you can. And that is the fourth key point. To see both the Scrum and Kanban together, not the predictive part or the waterfall part, we have to go to the View tab, Task Views, and select the Task Board command. So the Task Board view is coming up, but here right now we have only the Kanban part. We want to see both the Scrum as well as Kanban. So what I have to do, I'll go and remove this filter. Going to the View tab, Data Group, and say No Filter. Now with it, we have both the Kanban part as well as the Scrum work items coming up. But next question will be, how do you distinguish between the Kanban and Scrum part? For that, you have to customize the cards. So for that, I'll go to Task Board Tools, Format, Customize, Group, and Customize Card command. Here, I'm going to remove the start, remove this finish. So I'll put only the finish here. And in the end, I'm going to put the custom flag of is Kanban. We have already that flag available. So I'm going to say OK. With it, as you can see, this internal tickets is having is Kanban as yes, whereas the Scrum related items are having is Kanban as no. So that means these are Scrum related items, whereas these two are Kanban related items. So this way you can distinguish between Scrum items and Kanban items, but effectively you are tracking both together in a single board view. Some practitioners want it that way, and MS Project Agile has that power available with it to show you both together. The final key point, and in my view this is a significant key point. Traditional projects such as Waterfall project are relatively easy to manage. Standalone Scrum project or standalone Kanban project are also relatively easy to manage. When you combine the traditional or Waterfall project with a standalone Agile part, then the complexity goes up, such as Hybrid Agile or Hybrid Scrum or simple Hybrid Kanban. When you have traditional part combined with multiple Agile approaches, such as you have predictive or Waterfall part, then you have Scrum part as well as Kanban part, of course the complexity is going to be much more higher. These projects demand not only efficiency and proficiency from the manager who is leading the project, also a change in mindset, and that is a quick change in mindset has to happen. When you are managing the predictive part of the project, it will be different. When you are managing the Scrum part of the project or the Kanban part of the project, that will be different. When you are switching from Scrum to Kanban part of the project, again you have to have context switching with respect to your mindset, because the events, the principles, the practices, the artifacts, or other areas associated with respect to these various approaches available in Hybrid-ScrumBan project are going to be different. To manage such projects, you not only need to have thorough understanding with respect to traditional project management, you also need to have understanding with respect to Scrum framework, Kanban framework, and of course, you need to have a context switching with respect to the mindset, because the way they are going to be delivered will be different. MS Project with its Agile features gives you the ability to manage such kind of highly complex project, which is in our case is the Hybrid-ScrumBan project. I believe with this video you have a better understanding with respect to how to manage a Hybrid-ScrumBan project.